The shifts that are happening in education now are global. What really drives innovation is people sharing ideas, good practice, learning from each other. It's a great event. It's a very good place to come and find out just what's going on. Bringing together people here from overseas, from different disciplines, from different areas of responsibility, from the technology field, education, business, to look at the sorts of schools we need now to face the challenges that are upon us. To look at why changes are needed and how we can best bring them about.
Events like this, where that magic happens, you need to have teachers talking to vendors, looking at the new technology in a real sense, but also understanding where the government point of view is as to where their restrictions or their opportunities might be. So events like this, where you get a group like that together, are absolutely fundamental to the success of any innovation across education.
There's a huge variety of people that we are meeting at this event. We've certainly got our teachers are coming through. Teacher leadership is coming through as well. We're also seeing students come through, and that's another dynamic that we just really love about the whole future school space.
You've got people who've got huge ideas and profound thoughts about what school's supposed to be, like Sir Ken Robinson. You've got practitioners who are doing that work every day in schools, and you've got innovators and technology companies who have innovative solutions toward all the kinds of challenges that we have today, all together in one place.
There's just nothing else like this for getting that kind of communication and dialogue going.
It actually opens up your mind to what the future of education is going to look like.
We're seeing what is out there at the moment, something that we can implement straight away into our school, and really delivering 21st century learning. This is the place you should come to.